Here we are.
Here we are, sports fans.
Sometimes in life, if the issues happen, and you just have to deal with it.
You do it yourself.
You do it yourself. Right, the Panda's had a few issues. So it went in for the MOT. And the result was...
Study yourselves.
Fail. Oh dear.
With quite a large list of issues. But don't worry about that. Eh?
I think, to be honest, there probably some of that stuff we could... was maybe a bit over the top.
Yes.
Perhaps a bit overcautious. But there's a lot of words like corrosion, seriously weakened, excessively worn. So, yeah, basically what we've done is we've got this.
The unboxing, basically.
Which is a new subframe.
Cool.
So the subframe is what goes on the back of the car, which is what the wheels and the suspension mount to. We got this lovely piece of metal from eBay for 130 quid.
Can't go wrong, really.
Can't go wrong.
I've
also bought
fresh
some new shocks, box fresh, £25 for the pair. So we're going to try and do this ourselves.
What could go wrong? I mean, two guys with basically no mechanical experience.
Disclaimer, we have no mechanical experience. There's a great video by a chap called Auto Night.
I will explain. Now, the problem with these axle beams is that they corrode.
On YouTube, shout out to Auto Night, link in the description. He actually knows how to do this. So if you've clicked on this video wanting to learn how to fix a Panda, go and watch that video because you won't learn anything here. So we've got to jack it up.
Jack it up, jack it in.
Let me begin. She's in the air. This is my favourite bit. Oh. He's 17. Get her on there. Oh. Right, ready? Not even loosen the nuts. It's just in the air. Right, watch this. Okay. Usually this works.
Slight issue.
Hold on. There you
go.
Wrong setting, wrong setting. Like literally like nothing.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Easy dollar.
And hopefully it should come off because I've put copper slip on it. Easy.
Beauty.
Look at these lovely wheel hanger things that stick in through the steel wheel, so it's easy to put the wheel on. It's great, isn't it? There's one. I've allowed Adam to do the other side.
See what happens here.
There you go. It's on the right setting now.
That's a good start, isn't it?
Here it goes.
How wrong can it go? Oh, it's sexual, isn't it? The way that comes off.
So good. That's torque tap as well. In the air.
Beautiful.
Like nothing.
Oh, so good.
Should be. Oh, fucking hell. She's moving quite a bit.
Oh,
there you go. It's fine.
She's off.
We need to hammer this little thingy-mabob off.
Right.
So I'm going to start with the normal hammer. That's just not good enough.
The sledgehammer.
A real hammer. As you can see, we don't know what we're doing.
Bring it a little bit. Bring it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, ding dong.
Look at that. That's clean as a whistle in there. What the fuck is that? A £2 coin?
Oh, ka-ching.
Look at that.
That basically pays for half of what we paid for it.
£2, yeah, 2007, £2. So there you go. It's now only £123. Oh, 5p.
5p, take that off as well.
That the chips,
fish and chips.
that might have been me.
Memorabilia, was it?
Might have been. I don't want to speak too soon, but I feel like this is going quite well.
Cut to it all falling apart.
It's
going well.
Nothing's gone wrong yet, is it?
No, it took a bit of bashing to get off, but
it's all right.
We did it, didn't we?
All right, what's next? We don't really know what wheel bearings are supposed to look like, but it feels weird to me that it's all kind of come apart. So I think we're going to replace them.
We'll get some Bones Red bearings.
Bones Red?
Yeah, if you know, you know.
Is that good,
I used to have them in my scooter.
Oh.
They were bloody awesome.
Look at this. You ready? Oh no, I can't see anything.
I can't find the ABS wire.
Whoa! Look at that. There's the ABS wire.
That's what we're looking for.
This little fella, right. And then I probably will need a screwdriver too. It feels good actually knowing what things are. Usually when I'm doing this car stuff, I just take things off and I've got no idea what they do. That looks like somewhere where someone's put the jack before.
Yeah, and split all the film.
Yeah. Okay, well let's just press
one thing
on.
at a time.
Press on, press on. This is the thing, I always get confused. So which way am I turning this? Am I going down or up?
Righty tighty, lefty
But
loosey.
then that's difficult to... So yeah, it would be down. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. I feel like this. I don't know what's happening. Ooh, yeah.
Did that come loose?
Yeah. Okay. Something's happening. So this is going to piss out brake fluid.
Oh, there she is.
Oh.
She's oozing out.
Just checking in on auto night to check we haven't missed anything.
We're doing all right.
We're doing all right. Have a look at this profile view of the old Panda. He seriously is in intensive care. We're now at the stage where we can start lowering the subframe.
It's all getting very exciting.
Now we're doing the big bolts and it's all going to come out. The arse of the car is just going to fall out. Right. Things have stepped up a notch in terms of the tooling.
Unfortunately, we've got ourselves into a situation where we can undo a screw, so the only thing to do, the angle grinder.
Oh my word. Quite terrifying. This is the moment. The moment when we undo the final bolts. And the subframe becomes free from the Panda.
Whoa.
Okay.
Coming loose.
So it's literally now being held in by one bolt.
3 jacks for good measure.
You don't want this puppy falling. There's now nothing holding in the subframe.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Just stop there. Stop there. Stop there. See if it's fouling on anything. Let's make sure that brake pipe's out of the way. Oh, oh, oh! It's down.
It's down.
It's on the floor.
Oh, it's come back on.
It's come back on.
Oh, there's a spring.
The car has got no arse.
Ah, it's completely died.
There's a spring. Look at the spring pad's fine. That'll be reused.
There's a bit of rust on the top, but nothing a little wire brush can't sort out.
It's knocked all the bolts.
Hello. We've got a wild sausage dog as a mid subframe
Removal.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
We've just stopped the angle grinding.
We've just actually turned up
jumper. I need to pull the whole thing out. Oh, this is the subframe.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that. Look at that. It's not even that bad.
We've done it.
It's not even that bad. Look at it. Hey, she's good to go. And you've got another bolt stuck in, so it's going to be given the angle grinder treatment. Yeah, you bastard.
Yeah, we showed that screw, didn't we?
Here it is then, the new subframe. Hopefully it's the right one and it fits. We've just noticed it's got this extra strap brace. This is a heavy duty subframe. Feels a tiny bit heavier than the other one, but then again, most of that one has become bran flakes. Just going to put these on. Is it right? Is it the right one? Is it the bolts in the right place? I think they might be.
Wait, we need to pull that through.
We need to push this through.
The bolts align.
The bolts align, it's the right one. That seems to be working well. And that is quite possibly the first part on the subframe. God, I'm excited. I'm so excited. We're about halfway through the job. Well, maybe a bit over halfway. What do you reckon?
Not a bad day's work. Subframe is off.
Subframe is off. And now we're going to go and do something normal with our lives rather than messing around with a Fiat Panda. And we'll come back to this next week.
Yeah, there'll be more action in store.
See you next week. All right, we're back. It's been a week since we were last here. We've got a different hat on. This is a Guy Martin hat, so nothing can possibly go wrong now.
Good luck, charm.
But we've got a slightly janky issue with these subframe bolts. Turns out they're like hen's teeth trying to get hold of them. So what I've done is been to B&Q. I've got something that's roughly the same, and we're going to cut it down, and hopefully that will work.
Hopefully.
He
says. With a straight line on the angle grinder.
Yeah, it'll be
Could
fine.
go alright.
Let's get cracking then, shall we? New brake lines are copper, so they won't rust.
Perfect.
Oh, I've got to show you.
Upgrade.
Here you are. There's this as well. I don't think it's the right one. It was the right one on eBay. They said it was the right one, but
It's
different
to the one that's in there.
But
Doesn't it say Punto on it?
it does say Pinto on it. However, if we can make it fit, this will be the answer to all our problems because it's got a resonator there.
Straight pipe.
So then this could just be a straight pipe. So
Could be interesting. Well, it goes across and then up, but this one just kind of goes across.
hear me out, right?
I think I know what you're going to say.
What if we just cut it off after the resonator? I think that
We've
could
got an angle grinder, so...
He's absolutely buggered.
What is the plan of attack now?
Should we start it up?
Yeah, go on.
I'm worried that there's no reason why it shouldn't start, right?
Well, the only thing that we've bled is the brakes.
Just
so
don't press the brakes.
hard on the brakes, throttle on.
So we need to jack the front up just so we can start it.
We just want to see how
When I
rascal
hear
it
the
sounds.
noise, yeah, it'll be pretty rascal. It's basically straight pipe now. Ready?
Let's do it.
I'm worried. It's getting a lot of love, this car. You know, we've had basically an insurance company, one mechanic, another mechanic tell us that this car is scrap. But we are doing something with it. We're giving it a new life. We're recycling it, and I think that's a good thing.
Oh, ding dong.
Get in there. Just to check it still works. If that's not race car.
Give it a rev. That's proper throaty, that is. That sounds rough.
Ah, it's good that you're here. Right, ready? Turn the key.
That's ridiculous. That is so stupid. Can I turn it off? I'm not driving around in this. Don't! The Harrison neighbours. Don't fucking do that. That is so stupid. Don't do it. I mean it. Don't. I'm so angry with you.
Like that. Like that.
Yeah. Higher. There we go, like that. That's good.
It's got a rally. Rally is like that.
Yeah. Flames. So this could be a dangerous moment.
I feel scared.
Entrusted. Wait. We've trusted Harrison with the mighty angle grinder. Let's see what happens.
I'm terrified.
Success.
That's awful. What a horrible tool. Woohoo! You and that tool terrify me.
Look at that.
That is fucking
That's as
terrifying.
clean as you like. Look at that. Beautiful. I think we've created a new instrument. It's called the wonky bone.
We've had our first casualty. If you can focus that close. He picked up a bolt after he'd angle grinded it. You donkey. Go and run it under the cold tap.
You can see where it's. Good job I had the
Oh,
gloves
fuck,
on.
it went through the
Yeah.
glove.
It's actually fine, it doesn't hurt too much.
Go on, go
I
and run
just
it.
singed my fingerprints off there. So.
You're like the Men in Black with
Yeah,
their
yeah.
fingerprints.
Well, I'm like a spy, they shave them off. Don't they?
Yeah, that's it. Okay, we abandoned the exhaust. We've finished the prep on the subframe and we're going to get it back in. Forward. Okay, on there.
Yeah.
I'm in. I'm very pleased the subframe is it. Just need to finish all the bolts. Are you having fun down there, sir?
Yeah, sir, yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Right, progress has been made. Subframe is in, it's all connected up. Lovely new shock absorber. Slightly rusty old spring, but don't worry about that, it's functional. Everything's connected in terms of brake lines, ABS. We're just installing new wheel bearings because they always break. So it's good to put new ones in, but you've got to torque this up to 188 Newton meters, which just fucking hell.
He doesn't appear to have the minerals for it.
I don't think we're going to do this with this torque wrench.
He just doesn't have the facilities.
Ah!
Oh, you've done it.
Yes!
Good job.
Let's just check it spins. There you go. Oh, buttery smooth. I reckon we'll get like another horsepower out of that.
Yeah.
All right, one more. Yo. Thanks for today, mate.
Subframe is in.
Subframe's back on.
Wheels are on.
Looks bloody lovely under there, look. That is one sexy Panda. Sexy
We've
undergarments.
actually managed to do it.
Managed to do
Unbelievable.
It's got no brakes at the moment, so we're going to fix that. Sort out a few other things, and then obviously there's the exhaust situation to sort out. But other than that, I think we've done a fucking good job.
Yeah, at least it's starting to look like a car again.
It is. It's got wheels on.
Something.
It's got an arse.
Oh wait, the exhaust is on the floor. That is a slight.
Ah, yes, there's an issue.
Apart from that,
That, you know, still
at
works,
least it
doesn't
sound fun.
it? It does sound good. Right, so let me.
Ka-ching.
Cheers.